Unit 6, A Wonderful Creation. The good Lord was extremely busy those days. He was into his 6th day of overtime. When he was working with full concentration, an angel appeared and commented,
"You are taking too much care for creating this creature."
"That's true," said the Lord. "Do you know the details about this creation?"
What are they?
The angel was curious. Her all parts should be movable and replaceable too. She has a lap that disappears when she stands up. I have to put a kiss that can cure everything, from a broken leg to a broken heart. Moreover, she has to have 6 pairs of hands. She is able to run on any food available and should have 3 pairs of eyes. The angel shook his head slowly and said,
A mighty impossible task. I suppose 6 pairs of hands? No way.
"No, these hands are not a problem for me. It is the 3 pairs of eyes that the mothers have to have." The Lord looked puzzled.
Oh, so you are creating a standard model of mothers. But 3 pairs of eyes? What for?
The angel got interested. 1 pair that sees her children through closed doors. Another pair to look at the children and say, "I understand and I love you," without uttering a word. And the 3rd pair to see all the secret things without opening them.
Lord, requested the angel, please go to bed. Do not take this much trouble in a single day.
"I cannot," he refused. "I have completed most of the work. I have put my best of ideas into this model. Now, this mother will heal herself when she is sick. She would be able to feed a family of 6 members only on half a kilo of cabbage. And she would manage a 9-year-old child's bath, play, study, food and sleep without getting irritated."
The angel went round the model of the mother very slowly. He touched it and said, "It's too soft."
"But very tough," said the Lord, excited. "You cannot imagine what this mother can do and endure."
Can it think?
"Not only think, but can reason and compromise too," said the Lord.
The angel was impressed. He went closer to the model and moved his finger across the cheek. "Oh Lord, her eyes are leaking."
"How did this happen? It must be a tear. I have not put it there. It is a miracle," the Lord exclaimed.
"But what is a tear for, my Lord?"
"It is something unique. Maybe it is for pain, joy, pride, disappointment, loneliness," the Lord explained. What a wonderful creation!